coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Game against Legon Cities. This is not a game. If I'm using the junior team for House of Folk, Kotoko cannot score me. Best game against Legon Cities. This is not a game, right? If I'm using the junior team for House of Folk, Kotoko cannot score me. Best game against Legon Cities. This is not a game. If I'm using the junior team for House of Folk, Kotoko cannot score me. Best game against Legon Cities. This is not a game, right? If I'm using the junior team for House of Folk, Kotoko cannot score me.
GFA, GFA, Ghana Premier League. Before the game, GFA why you scouters, 8 year Muka, Amuchi, the whole Ghana, all expected pitches. It's a GFA, beach where my expected one. Beach where my expected one. Beach where is a start time, Mucha television, but start time, boy, now, loving this and your phone. Moon Jack on, no move on, yeah. No correction. Because Ghana GFA, so much of
because it has serious legal implications. So OBI attempts for big cool until in person fan say the usual, but I'm rather being made powerful to sabotage a team in Uwasi. But it makes Mami also be a unique. But it is not even true. So since it has seriously the person I pursue to see how I can, because send it over back to you say you attempted to kill a serious matter. And I want
ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen,
Alright, Okoman 97.1. And then on the 8th of March 2022. And brother. Send a weekend here, fire. Yes, I'm off for the weekend, no papa. Now, and Ghana is celebrating the 65th anniversary. And they know your activities how do Ghana have. I just say in Ghana, you cry, you quit him. Befa. But the holiday now year. And I aba. Our fresh because Papa fresh yesterday. Befa. I have been soon him say ya good year munsem. And then you yatna see baby doing come on. And they are tuning in Okoman Global Sports. And Okoman Global Sports. Shall good year Munsame nature go Ghana ha. A big Bremen afin so na manane. Afin said you come up and a puma sibre. And then somebody about a shame. When you said Nanu Fiadan and the Presidential Cup. And I said the Independence Cup, it to me to Jawa Cross Sports Stadium. They had to folk and I finished on a crop Pia Commercial Santiago. As it to me Dinkunimo Sama Chinimo. Even your brain, I feel so disant Common Kakra of Yaha. I feel so a common and a when you send the UEFA Champions League. And UEFA Champions League games to be better join there. Matches been to draw. And the man and send by better national fans to home come on. Now Manchester United team no near man said uncle ye. Papa Fresh and Man Uni or ham. Samson and JP John Peter and say Man Uni on so fear ham. Maybe some send back come you know for Manchester United team no home. It's answer near man ko ye. Near man ko ye crack the Manchester United. Question here the man you come on. That fancy here, but sorry, so I only say Blaster squad no, and the rumor be back. We will say Romeo's. But player back what Black Star, mobile tones are friend or no player no ma mo fancy mu team. We are dying and ya deal bepa. I share the upcoming squad and then check coach and yeah auto to the better Jano. I feel so yet to make come off here. Can any Jumedi and every better as an edu come on. Executive producer Yura Kofi Anson Powerful. Head of sports producer extraordinaire. 7 year Bob one with a good crack so the amame. And I Kofi Okori man. Supported by Jeff Kufu Boate, writer, commentator, Krobia Sante, DJ Zigibi, Tony Montana, DJ Vibes, Jonesy, Wina Boy Chidom, Nano Damia, Samson and Abigail, Pass son of Boy Chidom, Papa Fresh Atnase, John Peter and Swatnase. Midi and then Kwame Amponsah Addi with my friend AK. I can't hear me fans also. Enti no she bibia na unse da hu se assault ya se. O ba na ya brego ko check ni amasa hu. E me movie come anim. What's this location? Enti no se na ya na be ko na fensa manane sama ba. Ene me nchawa manane. Abi ba sima be edu na manane sama no me dia ba. Ka fensa be din komo ofie ha. Be dia manane komo kakra. Seba ne abeto aso ofie. Entini yanko na finsra manane nsam yemfa tuja enfama mu.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo!
Okoman Radio.
¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Golazo! ¡Aso!
Viene Caleri para el gol. Palacio Caleri se va para el gol. Caleri Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cántalo. Y de Rabona. Sí, Diego de Rabona.
Right into no yan corner face manane nsam ba ku mienu yan fan tu dwana o hye se na John Peter Atnasa na ne mayu Omo sem kam papa. Niama said fa niama fa. Etino. Yabakora fensro. Amanane sem pa kumienu. Yansu ya tumeri atujwa area ma ye kwede na say neno krobia sante. Ono na opo me chiram na fensro amanane sem no. Enensu ya tumeri appointed Johnny live on Facebook. Na fensro amanane sem no. Yentimi fan tujwa na eneno me sha say John Peter black is skin. Eneno Nana Grant. Or the abam, I say, man, you eat 10 beans. Man, you 10 beans. They are nothing to offer. And I said, Charlie, I say, man, you are here, Punkili. Or no, I Chelsea new. And then Nana Grant and so, and they were touch it down. Oh, Ghana, I just say, on monitor Jumedian performance and all Paris. You are back Ghana. And it's on monitor. Oh, guy, okay. Oh, guy.
Me classmate.
Chelsea. Oh, Waba.
Who's that?
Waba. Saturday no to me class wa bedu. Oba town kra.
Oh, okay.
But na Saturday me no was you know. I say man you there bone killers. Entina manane sam yankwana fensu yamfantuja enfama de yakwere na say Dino enso no ekebesa se enso na the free the UEFA Champions League na say wonu say ne matches no dodo na so ebetuma tojwa we enya sem kuma round of 16 no second leg matches no enso ebetojwa yanshona fensu no yamfantuja enso no enfama na kopiemu enso no Anfield dia na say Liverpool, you will never walk alone. So no, etinafie no the International Milan and so etima ball and Inter Milan team no kwa we no so Liverpool. Let's talk about our Anfona red fan day and so the Antonio Martial La House from Spain. On the kwa question sa game no na fenso ni ama so etima koso edama Liverpool na fenso Inter Milan game no sanso na Bayern Munich so etinafie Allianz Arena no so the RB Salzburg etima boy ni channel sister first league no and then Salzburg etima che Bayern team no ebo ne kam yenu ama Bayern Munich so etima temu ba kunti we no ehia se Bayern so betima se be 2 goals no so etima qualify and so etima dia konenim and so ho intene some banner but referee ni at Clement tapping from France and a penny first to etima pano say ni onkono sa game no so intene no and match and so beto jump no Allianz Arena yanso etima dia to etia ahead of that game no coach Adema Bayern team no Oriane Dani Julian Nagelsmann and you are Babontin in some of the jump or Chrem Seneno expectations now throw 10 year or Chrem Bayern team now almost shining saying couldn't be able to call Adema Bayern after some qualify a copiemu and so quarter final stage you know in the Bayern team no person winning some match here and your best players you know or best the likes of Thomas Muller mo a Brante Robert Lewandowski mo so mo peja home so send Bayern couldn't be so better call Adema Bayern team no and then some Yura and the Julian Nagelsmann head coach and my Bayern Munich team no and also the Sansam no and so to me to draw yes we are my team for a captain at my Bayern Munich a Branton in the Thomas Muller and also to my Kasa then you be Thomas Muller said game no first league but to me lose 2-1 against the Salzburg Namuko game no say na hunifa Thomas Muller HM away a big game power pa and ya do mo narrative a Salzburg team no as say Ocha Salzburg omo born po e ban Champions League na omo ya de into na Branton in the Thomas Muller there and ya do mo narrative RB Salzburg team no into na ko all out na fe so mo tuma ko wini some match no say na be mo tuma qualify and so that copy on him and then some Thomas Muller on a captain so no Edema Bayern Munich team no and also to me there to join out picture that Facebook now we are Branton Serge Gnabry a Branton no so no bra that mean child of Branton no so to Tania or join the Bayern team no that's all training grounds and they likely start Branton in the Serge Gnabry on the super to Jeremy Bobby and so them Bayern team no into the Bayern Branton no a brand no more Allianz Arena no more training no the likes of Branton Musiala mo a Branton Colinton Tolisso Samson Thomas Muller na face Robert Lewandowski mo and the mania bro me training na face no over to my boy Ramu game no mo say the Bayern there including the super call and so them Bayern team no and also in summer aba and no yet to me a pan yemfi Bayern na face kopiemu e Liverpool akache onu say nyume omo gina kono omo so ni Inter Milan na po when so na a big game between to twa e Anfona Liverpool coach the Georgian club Obiba Jenkins so akasa o James and first league no including the 2-0 etume ko at the moment so anya dia no trimu there e ba be omo be call all out na face no omo to in double over Inter Milan and then sama Obiba JK Georgian Klopp so etimida tuja yansu yere ma ete for Chelsea Brighton in Mohamed Salah and afenso Sadio Mane no or expect a lot from them and then numre say be am Brighton so betima bo goals to their goal na afenso no eje bobo kwa ni dey at the Liverpool and so to qualify and so they are coming him and also in sama etojwa yansu yere ma ete for na yenko PM FC Barcelona kate Barca for kasa omo chirema Brighton ni dey and say the Ellen Brown Haaland tienie omo chirema Brighton Haaland no omo send him say August Brighton Baba Fresh and Yeezy, Star Brighton in any Haaland, Eba PM Barca, into the Barca fans no, Montenier, a Brighton do your Barca Beba, now so and said enough from Sikaneno, Dortmund for here, Edefi Barca, close to 100 million euros, and then it's Sikane Dortmund for, as when you say Barcelona team no, Ebetuia, as well the Dortmund team no, now Fesuniama Cosina, President Adama Barca, you ran in the Joan Laporta Casa, or James in Comotuciano, and Conanim Kakran. On the GDS no Barcelona also na Brighton in the Haaland so between komo na fenso ni am so tuma koso totin na Brighton no so tuma jepenie no so be PMO el Barca team no mo and then some ni Joan Laporta on your president and my Barca team no on so tuma da tuja yere el pan yenko PMO el FIFA kate and you know enya sem kuma on say Russia Ukraine tokwan el koso na FIFA be kasa and the Euro ni the Gianni Infantino and the chire mu say no all the new rules apa it's a place who Ukraine no on be some so no ball no nya bi ball nti no ye player na ball club e ma Ukraine and as ball team o Ukraine nti ne ye say ne omo the new rule apa so betuma to anamo e dey fi Ukraine na face so apa other European country now so betuma be ball nti ne omo the new transfer window the apa e dey ma omo ya ne Ukraine na face no Russia say be a place and so e betuma to anamo e dey fi Ukraine na face Russia no ma ball e so Spain Germany France England baby bia o be so ball no also betuma contain no run the Gianni Infantino and no James say transfer rule no omo dia pa dia ma Russia na face no Ukraine say be a place no so no entra was ha mo say nya adwuma bia ye intene manu akonya na pa mo nkopɛ central defender Harry Maguire ne man say nkoye ukopie mo Russia na Ukraine ubanya central defender no so apa abebo Manchester United intene FIFA for chirema transfer window no any foreign players no more Ukraine and Russia no ubetuma call na face so akɔ sign contract so etimi dia team fufuro bia mo pese mo kopo and then some Euro Gianni Infantino and after the FIFA executive council no enso etimi dia pa ya di tuja enso dia ma etie for na tienie onu say name a Brighton ni the Ansumani 40 on a Barca player a Brighton ni pride nyame chadom wa recover ono so let's say training kakra edema Barca team no intine Barca makoda we so ni enso no ere Ansumani 40 a Brighton recover ono so na training enso edema Barcelona team na made us so Barca no report by HMS Brighton today and Sergio Roberto Brighton e kwa fe baako ni on cheda nya bi emmo emfama Barca team no report by HMS Bobo kwa ni Arsenal and all from front point to fire bo ko fa Sergio Roberto enso team de na pa Arsenal team no mo na fe so no so betima be si akan e de ma Bobo ko ni tene August no won start Brighton ni de Sergio Roberto e be pimo Arsenal me man nsana enya 1-1 na enyo no kwa a Brighton ni dey Rigi Pug you know onu start Brighton nsana nya bi mbo e former Barca team no and e Bobo kwa ni Wolverhampton Wanderers so England on some of the apa HMS Barca sa Brighton ni dey Rigi Pug you know mo man mba munjano no so mesi akan enso former Wolves team no and also nsama e body fi Barca katia yeri tuja enso na team dia man na Manchester United I'm fan tuja enfama mo a Brighton dey enso Edison Cavani and Matador a Brighton cheda nyame bo iprana dey ha Brighton no wakasa ochema so I guess obeko na fin so wako petin foforo apo enene sama Cavani e dey apana news apa Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz a Brighton no end of the season obefi Atletico Madrid na fin so Inter Milan a Brighton Suarez enso akobo na kamia ko ese Inter for no omani je enkokrafo papa edin jeko ho kravi asre aturo vidamo omunyina wontino Inter for chirima August abrantie Luis Suarez obepa Inter Milan obepo inti amanane sam no samika menche e ba be din komo na manyu hu nsam ni hiame manyu nkomo no ehiame pa cause manyu yetima na miso aname pepa amepe won't see as you come back. Not mind you, Damakoma Sopa. One said, meaning not me share gigs more, was not gigs, no both fine football. Papa, internet me per man, you intend it's a man you queer. My anchor, my mentor coach, Christopher Nimley. Coach Christopher Nimley. Oh no, a year City FM. Yeah, my mentor, oh yeah, man, you support pa. Coach, a year, my mentor, papa, only Nathan Quao, man, you know, Damakoma, so papa. I mean, chamo na bibia kama intina mananisam yam fancy odo wajen channel ba Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Samsung na YouTube no betumi follow Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram ni nyina no at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 also no betumi follow chumedie no na bibia so no kama WhatsApp SMS 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na fin so no what do I channel etimi afa ere aba krobia santia tena se papa the first atena se sansona JP John Peter and so ofia ye ba be din komo and so ha and then if you say no seven dada has to share kotoko 2-1 AJ Cap President Cap ye baba and ye be kan achiri kan wan sem for ko team no na many penny back ko kasa e wura kwaja asante ona na ye operations manager and I say protocol officer ma koroko kwaba mi ko shi no stadium na ya po gera say oh senior some ka so much you I say oh ya the chow and I say hey operations yeah, what the chai? Was it Corbia?
Abuano de Wotano na we nyano.
Was it no bon? But so unya ko she game ni bi.
Oh, okay. I think say that particular game there na my very very tight. So wa onim say na said the IS schedule no is sanka nyina.
Chauko yeah MC wo a program ya say.
Okay, weekend you say na a long weekend. Yes, in Nyoma Sisi. Papa in Nyoma Sisi and
maybe start so much yoka.
Who be?
Why?
We are original outway.
Tino Corbia Sante. And I was saying, John Peter, Vivian, remember John Peter Kwaba, Zinia,
bro,
Vivian fine.
Nyamia do Vivian Oko,
Nyamia do me, na, yes, you are not, and I pay me who na many Japa, Mr. JP, or Bassana, and I say, some more, or Basso kissing Shadam Puya to Piece, and I say, and some more, and to know JP. Oh, did you walk over? Oh, there Papa Fresh.
I won.
Bibia fine.
Nyamia Dominia. No yeah. Oh yeah, pa.
But now we the money bag. Now we the money bag. And a down.
A down.
Yeah, no one because I will be out to feel. Bibia fine.
Charlie, Nyamia Dominia.
Man you koyi.
Man you in some of the doors. Yeah.
You know Abekana.
Man there. As a supporter, ne there. Yeah, behind kakra. But Oji Tuma, I think they'll be me move on because baby a team from Ferguson type. Ayana and Crawford to 2 Ferguson by Nieman Kuyi and 3 years.
That's how I say Antino. Oh, what's manum and
the 3 years Nieman Kuyi. And Yama we coach bit to say only Yama a chance. Yama a couple of coaches have been coaching Manchester United chances, but Eke still near man kui and Yama say Manchester how a near Marcon and Osha a cry so to 2 players now. A bad thing say United, ye can't league pass say ye 20 near best and ye be account. Best say in few no way no more the Eke. I don't think say true. Men you say a bit me above. Because a cry United they so top player cry and we are back when more Manchester United. Met me examples be brave players are as a omu here United but transfer window near we are na last day no yakofa these players at the end of the day be ni Cavani asema okay she kwa ya fa so talk Cavani she kwa United e fa so ko fa Dion Gallo buy last minute transfer window enti as a player no ne hu here Manchester United and now team na nkasa mpanyifo ne coaches in the class will be confused. Who problem I want Manchester United.
David De Gea so don't kasa on tiase. problem o United. Guess.
No, Manchester be ya too by issue no is not about say ya to Manchester United are true. Yes, issue no yes sir. Because even Benfica fokra enyin to mu so ya to madru. Nyin to mu ye.
Ko final bi ya man.
And I think say United team no problems ni bi e kwan ya fa so top players no. Because as a your first player was yin ye ntanya that players ni akofa second choice first choice ni nya ni akofa second choice and ade ba ko ha me say your top player no kra no ba 1-2 seasons penal player no say oyeden obesan ko enti as a United no board nankasa any team no owners no enye o ma adwen say ekwan a teams ni bi afa so eya na e ka Liverpool asem say Liverpool ekọ 30 years without trophy and now Liverpool AC kwan so no wan baby a team na ekọ am build it from baby edi do baby by Manchester the end there as even Frank Kumakra ye promote him from the junior team no ebo 1-2 years pet na performance na sign then adipo abafem talking about
Rashford crowd
performance form no and then Rashford o pia ball ma Rashford crowd say obetwi obi ama pass and answer go say go no anywo
e be not charity work
no more now COVID time now
e be not per charity work in than football
and now I think say United ni here coach obetimi ability team e dey mind
I say Raf
2-2 formation Raf one of the biggest scammer at Manchester United Raf and now me can just say me who
what's Raf Hayden?
Oh yeah, one of the biggest scam. Chese, Adia, young fan says soon in for United. They back say appointed Raf Ragnick,
Papa Fresh
as a coach. My, no credit say now who
football philosopher.
Okay, who chemu di atre henna say Raf. You can say judging club ni
Godfather.
Godfather. Who chemu bien wo beti because
the gang
press you said okay there's no way so cancer say we would jina baby and I say what's na radio so Okoman radio so I can say Raf NHR judging crop no ne you can say by many coach and I Thomas to show no mu adia enyan ebe na si
facts on ochiro ma
fact ben
o sha ade kire na ochiro so na ne omudi so
enti otije ni a wa kire ade na se onu mo nim ade no kra
say football na modern
na modern ni teacher ni say
no na era no do compare here instead am fact
yes I was say teacher ni so o do ho e ba da modern na yi no because and next you say you born na you scientific I also would as a teacher no so ye den o ba da yi na ke hwe formation a coach ibo 4-2-2-2 4-2-2-2. Shanano Chelsea coach no Bobio. On it on Hospital, we should that formation. Shanediano. Eswaba. By the idea still near man kwe. And as a United and as a team when no can say your central defenders nyina enye players obetimi do ho ato mo so there's no way say that formation ebe boy.
Okay.
And me nko Kamia and United and back. And no the only way I bet me protect it goals and Crawford share bebre no because United any team be aba you be consider go and Chelsea you consider pony abe win game no but you consider an draw near ball so I think say baby United do need there minimum next coach there by me come nko a wo hwe ekwan a Eric Ten Hag Eddie Ayas with squad a
mo be kan no a yenkofa we
yes
yenkofa ne ban so me perform Ralph Bay in so many anti Okroma.
Okay.
And I say football philosopher. Say, on a year two shall say, on a year club say, now student.
And nothing I'm paying for man assessments a panel. Because GDN and I was saying, I pay coach, none of the coach United. And Mauricio Pochettino, dear, okay, or Basto, or no so be and new Christmas. And new Christmas oba ono so beko. So say United epese omuye bibi. No munya coach obetimi aka mo fra na bom ana say watimi abuild team dey Manchester United me dey anka me feel Eric Ten Hag because we share Ayas Abrante Ndini Sebastian Haller from Frankfurt to West Ham United.
Dutch league is different from the English Premier League.
Oba Europa obo. Oba Europa obo. Anya Ayas ni Chelsea. Anya Ayas ni Chelsea. And a boy Champions League. Now Ayas the red card bienu game na end 4-4. The same coach and she performance. She kwan a ode Dortmund. Efa so ewo you can say on group stage no. So I think say now okay. Ye pe coach obetimi abode emofra no because we United Academy na ye wo players ye quality wo ho.
Okay, ye na first na
do senior no mu ana say wabo 1 year hwe guy here na say ono ebo ahead of Rashford Canadian kakra Elanga okay what the first down si enya coach papa the next 2 years Elanga besa be to say near Rashford that year.
Okay. And you know, Papa Fresh, and I'll tell you, because man, you problem no, on you who say players no, and your coach no, Raf, and your papa, Mompamono, JP, and a man you for me no movie na and your court also, JP, what about Papa Fresh? Oh, drama, Debbie, coach Nasa.
Who's that? Near the camera, I'm here waiting. I'm here, crop man, you copy man, yeah. Yeah, Papa Fresh, you know, you lose matches. Into normal for every fan to be emotional. You know, because or the yaw, you know, so normal. And number 2, Obianzo on kwan say, Oche na dwene send you mafa. And yet necessarily doesn't make it correct. But Obia on kwan. Me, Ralph Ragnick, fantastic coach. Fantastic coach.
Who's it?
Ralph Ragnick, fantastic coach. And Okaso Binya, you always make you should tell me why. Say Okaso Binya so
be a resource and ma.
So the results you bet my because I only coach be ball, only a team ball. But Mamen Kasa. Say Obo in a match, then you play to make 22 attempts or at goal. Boss need to me walk around na keep and nipo nim. And so still I play and then man banche. Then it's something more bigger than the coach happening. Sanka players in him boy a different thing. Me obia ole wo ho na ohwe ball. Fiti bra rough by no ohwe ball. On se some material on fair be mekan ho. Apparently material no way be him. So it's the same thing. Bra ole wo no na yehu. There are some matches who say you lose here we cry. Ultimately, some changes be not the more about 4 strikers. Ole names are tactics in Nigeria. So and now can Raf who me the problem here in the City match, you know, the players. And
United problem against City in your players.
No, always the charisma in the one who say for share Liverpool and a Chelsea match, you know. Who say na Rudiger attack Salah. Who has our players in your team?
Aggressive players.
Well, a beyond just professional. Beyond just every week over kono akwako je salary as a player. I say Olusi of Philly Bibi. So you look at Wayne Rooney. Share enye Cristiano Ronaldo. And no buyer. Anka probably anka be worse than this. Because no be team in coffee in Chirobia. None of them were trophy winners. Imagine the young captain, Harry Maguire, for about
fantastic captain.
15 matches or so, every single match. Until me nye bibiada. Uje diso beti makokache player biso on TN you know mbobo ni. So there was a bigger problem with our players, and now always the argument. I'm always ready to give time because the answer BBR. So I was always ready to give time. Only then maybe can say the 7 matches on to me in cross it, one cross it. Ragnick Oba no ono ne contract was signed and yes I won jenindi. Ono no was share that kopa ne chokres ombra man you and also about 6 months. After 6 months, one common a board role. Into Ragnick, after next 6 months, he on Fiman you or Kwakotana the board Neso or Manchester. Ragnick is a fantastic coach.
Black is skinny. Also, Man U is just like Kwakwa United. Baller. John Peter, Man U 10 Bs, stop the sugar coating. Man U team that's
No. Now maybe Makacho's a winning match. Makacho's you discussing Man U problem, no. And Obi wo be fan no January no atoagu. Me so me say me bubum. Na me hwe baby o dissect I when baby a problem na nkasa afi. Because say yetimi bobo near 27 attempts at goal. Yen shebi 22 attempts at goal. Yen shebi. Even yene Atletico Madrid. Yeah, and give it much about more goals. But then yene Atletico Madrid in their home. It's not we were playing. Even though Ayasano. Now we were playing. So beyond the coach. Something say players no mean who baby or be kwako fair. But then that spirit has left them. Once in a wash a day and once in a bufu fight. You don't see any of them. Look at Poba. Me, I'm hoping at the end of season 1 man and call. We need Rashford. I'm ready. Rashford, the mojo is gone. Something is missing in Rashford. And yes, son or son, ni Bobia Obenya. You watch Rashford. Anytime you Bembiano, I say, for super so ye BB. But it's not coming. And yet, me. Obia with magic case. Anybody can believe it. The football normal. And Obia with the football to be normal. There are some players you go at, even if you make a dip 3-4 seasons, and suddenly they come back again. And your consistency, who focus and say ube mia when that's the problem. Man, you face the problem. Initially, me say we Ragnick anka chemistry ne be a bit faster. Nanka ebi a young akoyen but still the fourth position I doubt.
Is the Arsenal become 1 point and our 3 outstanding games. Arsenal,
the Premier, English Premiership in the Funny League.
Arsenal.
Obiya himself.
Arsenal after their first 4 games now, what the last?
No, Hinakwana dream was say Uncle Baby do BB what this season. I ever say contenders, Liverpool, between Liverpool and City.
Bukano at the everybody start of the league, Bukano United crack out.
Everybody thought it was
first 3 matches.
No,
he was scoring. Pogba in the first game 4 assists. Bruno scoring hat-trick. Manchester United.
In the we are now my Papa Fresh. We said Papa Fresh is to Ojegu Musa. One pamu coach na.
Let me say results in him. Instead of Becca say coach. Results in him.
No. Now, Missy. So your Manchester games. At least before Ole, you ever watched
the same game na me sure me so
do one share o do one share ko hear the stats. At least it gives you a summary of
start against City and the last 15
minutes.
No,
and City didn't make it.
Tell us the start now.
Oh no, me City match, Okay. Me can between Ole and this guy.
Raf, okay.
No, the 2 coaches are different. Hold on.
First, Ole chance and I say yes sign on. The first you winning how many matches? Is it not 12 matches?
No, na say Raf by in the first game.
Many
man you Raf and JP and say the first 3 games they all winning, 1-0, 1-0, 2-1. Now I say
no.
And she winning here.
Obe can acquire. Me say maybe now share game. Raf ni formation or they buy 4-2-2 no crowd they buy no. What's the sound?
Sure. What's the sound?
Fresh.
The last like
or the emotions
5 games,
Hold on.
Power Fresh, allow him. Power Fresh. Allow him. Power Fresh. JP Mami Tio. JP Mami Tio.
Oh yes, I pay Didi. JP. Inti ne American say bra oba afoforo no. Obe born is 4-4-2 ana am for the D and rough say ni nyina ba straight ba say no. Now you know what na players need to me more. Because on a new game, he has some level of aggression. You need any of the players up front. Ebi ni ho. When you na jogging and normal and tackling, but on here no. Oshe ni workshops na yetia enunti yedi jeje no. Niama or expected for from the players no. Ebi ni man you are wobeyama no.
I think say Black is skin the response be bra. Alpha Rafa say yebe sack Rafa no. Also so John Peter, then we shouldn't have sacked Coach Milo. We should have sacked all the players instead. What are you telling me? So should Man United sack all its players? There is not even the new manager effect. I am the team. Okay. There's no new manager effect in the team. Please. Yeah.
Before I go Champions League, 30 seconds. Now me reflect and can be use certain teams and certain coaches.
You can't say
coach, you know they.
JP,
yes.
what JP is trying to say is what JP is trying to say is say Obe blame coach for I saw what results now.
Hold on.
JP,
hold on. Say a very good say me waha. So what are we discussing? Sure. We are discussing Manchester United.
Problem
no. We
are discussing United. Sure. Yes, we are discussing United.
We are not just opposing Manchester to any team.
Sure.
To say hunting. We are discussing Manchester United. And Manchester. Into Manchester, you coach the players. Where is it coming from? When a Papa Fresh say the coach. No. Make a.
Hold on. Me say coach recently coach no. And I'm say recently coach in there. Me can't so bet
so anything I'm person. Say man you so
the problem now so
be that one you fair to me.
The problem is so JP.
Or what should that?
So
JP.
I about 10 years premiership
JP. So Manchester United, we are discussing Manchester United. And Manchester United made of the coach and the players. And I remember say, the performance of the team so far, to the extent says they say you handle ball.
Or why?
To say you handle ball, you control ball. You know, you control the game. You 22. And FA Cup is a me.
Medals, bro.
The
whole United.
No, T. Me say yeah, now the mojo sometimes it goes. Now yeah, medals, but then yeah. Me say cup unipa and a net keep on them. Other one say.
Tell me.
Yeah.
So game no results
and T said Ranek need time about Man U no. And T said BB and Koso. But even a whole Ronaldo no fit score.
That's a crisis asset in all United.
And I say football. They be how unim baby basi.
From Ferguson.
Ferguson.
In the last 5 years. In the last 5 years.
So why
in the last 5 seasons. Manchester United winning trophy.
Now then, Obi will look I now 5.
Have Manchester United trophy mine.
But don't you think say problematic at Man United say in the last 5 years? Man you don't you think say a big issue at Man United say in the last 5 seasons? A team like Manchester United winning 3 Champions League budget over 20. Who are certain Ronaldo about body am winning Ballon d'Or. Who should play out for United legends Amukrai, Rio Ferdinand, West Brown more, the likes of Ryan Giggs and more. Just say players up by United, the caliber of Manchester United. Then in the last 5 years, United NJ trophy. Since 2013, United NJ Premier League year.
No.
Since 2008, United NJ Champions League.
No.
Chelsea, they say Chelsea will too.
A new stage BR.
Don't you think there's a big problem at Man United? And I only worried.
Because Manchester United is a big team, no anything now can a extremely big problem. You understand? But how do you discuss the problem? There's a reality. And the reality, we move from somewhere to somewhere. And I'm saying fresh or send your me if you ask me and Manchester, even from the whole philosophy has to change. And from Enone Ranek, ne presence there in Manchester and MAM there no.
So Obabe changing the philosophy of Manchester United.
The whole academic
Power Fresh, you distracted him. Power Fresh, allow him. Power Fresh, allow him. Jano. JP, I don't mind the microphone.
Oh yes, I'll distract me in person.
Oh yes,
this I mean per radio. Semitifie. Na semitie nkrofo bi no we sabi.
Mind the microphone off. The microphone off. The microphone off.
Well, me we class.
Big Manchester United.
So you see, running back Abano. I mean, I'm thinking the whole philosophy of the Manchester counter-attacking the 92 existed to a certain period. Okay, football is going to another level. From Barcelona for total 90, open every single team. Liverpool, they've been able to do it. Players will be for Liverpool Academy. No Weber senior team, no. There will be players who will be fitting into Salah. You watch all of them. The same thing. And I'm thinking, what they Tuchel on Chelsea for 3-4 seasons in count. Player B will be for Chelsea Academy, no. Will come and fit into. That's what Ferguson did. Manchester. And they made me winning. So Ferguson had same style of players, like they are still coming from the academy. So he gets to play the same thing. And we lost it after Ferguson left. I don't know how. But we were even stuck to Ferguson's style and Abedi and or something. So Rannick coming, a whole different level. And this season, me, I'm not thinking we'll win anything. Me bompa is the
only trophy I'm going to win the Champions League.
Which very
difficult. Yeah,
possible.
And you know,
the fresh enemy, my uncle,
and you know, JP, and Motin and Kazi, also watching our dream area for Manchester United issues are and results and and also I don't know. Okay, and to make us watching live on Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Sansona YouTube and so no. Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter, Instagram. Ninginano at Okoman 971. Ugusuti Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1. Krobia Santewa Yangoche UEFA Champions League and then Liverpool against Inter Milan. Sansona Bobukan the Bayern. Home against Salzburg. Now, waiting the message about good afternoon, staff. Osephobia, team papa. But for Man U, I think they are not united as a team since Ronaldo came. So they should check out Rachel inside Nwasu City. Odumaso Krobo. Or since Ronaldo by no, they call themselves United, but Amunye United. Krobia Sante, UEFA Champions League. And then Liverpool, Inter Milan, Bayern against Salzburg.
Well, interesting. And okay, I think that you bet you phone, and over the weekend, and so in your my course, you have to tune your ma kama, and me fasa kwenye suna anyina ya down for pa, and the Imano akore yada nase na yamani tirin kwanso.
Yes.
Otuni badin. Yeah.
On a good DMC.
Sa intino you bet you be to me ebe boa jumedi no pen.
Na abayo bi ti wachi sa na azo house abayo
okay yeah enti you bet ya you tiefo nyina na Ghana man ti mu an yo nti ye nyina ye guso a ye celebrate 65 years no 65 years a nyoma en shedan ko ye but I hope say bibia betumi I come especially our football fraternity ni mu no nyoma ebesisa going forward. Well, okay, I think it's the second leg of the run of 16 games are this particular day any ochana ana bought the first 4 games, na to me a deal good. Then the following week the last 4 abekane yako the quarterfinals of the 2021-22 UEFA Champions League. And I think got into an interesting week. Witness a very exciting games at Basu. And this is where that away goal rule and and then or china so any next week kon ye ba be hu how effect are able to me take on certain games are able to me abaso no enti next second leg we to me akwawe akonya one goal now ubefie na ye say ubenya one goal bi kan and also to me Emma the automatic qualification to the quarterfinals. I think say a big no this time, and to ensure how these teams are going to fare so far as the away grown on so no to me ascribe if you want you ensure say their woman no able to me equal na woman to me secure the qualification to the last 8 and also okay measure the first game at the Anfield Stadium, the biggest game ever so this particular day, yes, because China no were bigger one indeed. Paris Saint-Germain hosted and the Real Madrid, Allianz Arena. I think say 2 weeks ago, Liverpool to me eko PMO ewo Giuseppe Meazza San Siro to me ekonya important 2 goals awomo ekonya ohonoma awomo to me by late goals pa ana awomo to me enya by, and I think say that particular game going away to Italy now kakonya 2 emphatic goals opponent into me anti-movie. I think it's a positive and a big result for Liverpool. Our mobile hosty Inter Milan womo soil no so Anfield. And I think say womo ekonya a good results a bit me on any day. A team like Liverpool, it will be very hard for any other team. Say Liverpool take a 2-goal lead in the first leg, then ube to me over 10 in the second leg. So I think this particular game a very good game, and it will be much exciting, much cracker than that of the first leg because the Italians are also coming in strongly, and I don't think one more bano one more so babe jeja omwase we yatinefie na Liverpool etumi abehye ni ntino na ye kono ye ko na chese yakujeja ye ho ama wo mahye. I think one more so ebetumi aba game ni mu yie pa one more ebe make sure at least said ya eye wo sukro mu no sa na ebetumi aye wo wia krom enti Liverpool coming to Giuseppe Meazza ebenya 2 goals no same as na on any day so yenso you take your chances are able to me create ya wo mo so betumi enya something positive at the end of the 90 minutes. At least that 2 goal no wo mo betumi equal extending the game into an extra time or possibly maybe penalties any other game for any other team no wo mo betumi win na wo mo so betumi enya something out of it. So I think it's a tough test for the Nerazzurris awomo eba Anfield ebe denyama the last 3 Champions League games awomo to me abono. I think enya dia Inter Milan to me winning a single game from 2008 that particular game Materazzi to me enya red card in the first half. Liverpool to me enya 2 goals in the first half, and the second leg again Liverpool to me as encore Giuseppe Meazza San Siro as ekonya a clean sheet win honomo. Then the last edition 2 weeks ago womu to me ekonya 2 goals to 0 awomo esande by in their last 3 games. I think I have very difficult for even Inter Milan so be to me share even a goal etia Liverpool, and they've lost all the 3 games knockout phases Liverpool in the Champions League. So this is going to be a very, very tough for them. Even those times now one couple of players they couldn't stand with Liverpool that time and they will share one more players. I think say in the first game one particular player Inter Milan Elusi me for instance me who is affected wo mu yepa branch friend Nicolo Barella. He's very good player, a midfielder on any day obe to me I create assist now was to me as I ashe go no. I think he was one particular player or to me going to me and boy Inter Milan that particular day ewo injury onya anything and also to me affect Inter Milan yepa in that particular game. But I think coming to the Anfield is going to be a different ball game altogether. One mobile buying strong and yeah, they are mobile better. And I think it's a judging club. It to me, I can say one mobile no and yeah, turn one mobile Anfield that barbershop. So it's only say one mobile stay focused without any complacency. Now one more to me I go game ni mu ye. And their last 3 games said Amidi can enya dia Inter Milan in to me a single goal at their home. And you know, Anfield, it will be very hard. Liverpool taking 2-goal lead. It will be very hard for any other team in Europe. So be to me a be over 10 and ye baby say Anfield. A be to me a the Inter Milan. But this particular game, okay, I think that this time round having Nicolo Barella available, the creativity from Inter Milan is going to work to perfection, and at least a goal Inter Milan able to make a goal at Anfield for the first time. Able to make a goal, but Liverpool I tip them to win this particular fixture, but both teams to score. Okay, Julian Nagelsmann.
Quick one on Bayern.
Yes, Eko PMO. Austria, a tough venue. Another Red Bull Arena. Womuko PMO. And womo ekonya a late equalizer. Honomo Ankonesa Anka. Womo ede 1-0 defeat na Kebabe PMO. Munich. But I think that this time womo ebabe hosty the Austrians. Munich. I think that it will be very hard. For Salzburg, say we to me continue the pressure, that high intense play from Bayern Munich. I think it's a bit ding at the Ama Austrians and say we move to me a keep hold of Bayern Munich and as somebody prevent them from scoring. And this game, I think it's a straight win for Bayern Munich, a straight win for Bayern Munich. But Salzburg, okay, we ade mi no mo say they are we to me so anymore na. Bayern Munich concede left, right, center. This time, I think it's both teams to score and also be to me a Juma or Allianz Arena. So a straight win for Bayern Munich and woman to me and yet she say game win won't to me winning by over 2.5 again.
All right, Crop Yasante and I was saying JP Champions League over Kakra.
The last one, Liverpool Inter Milan. The first match, first leg. Let me show you. Me sure say Inter beat me pulley any surprise. This is another way kind. I want me pulley any surprise because even in their home match, still now Liverpool was very much ahead, and Liverpool were back for quite some time. Their performance. How I set in because they say is a puzzle like. Oba could be obi 2 film no otimi to obi film be shame then you don't even see something was missing. Yeah, and obi fitting say team no a jelly and all of them, even Barcelona for a long time, that's what happens. Say team needs a set everybody coming looks to be like one of the positions on the pitch until Liverpool will go a long time. It's going to be a fantastic match. May Liverpool maybe won't win anything less than 3 goals. I'm seeing Liverpool winning 3-1 or 4-1 on the day. Bayern Munich
against
Salzburg. The first match was a fantastic surprise. Sure. No beyond expected. Football where and as I say, so home goal, away goal doesn't mean anything.
Sure.
Bebo on your last, but I'm seeing a stadium, Bavaria, maybe they too much, eventually. So Bayern Munich, I'm tipping them also to go ahead and win. Champions League, they always want to see the big boys out there. Fluke bia no be found pam no akwa winning no, so always obi a wasan bia no wo yum film enka kasefo no. Na won kan ko gina ho nti newe Manchester na
no de kukwasa no ma kwaje ba ku bi na
aya
bi jan bro foi
Barcelona Chelsea
oh
no t no last season
Champions League o ma gina last season dem
fresh aya debu out me mente wasi o obi akwa ko win tournament. And tournament, different from league.
So on some penny.
You'll be a guy. Now Chelsea win into Champions League. Who's a fluke and anything?
That would have been made the performance Chelsea.
Performance
first cup. Oh, no.
First cup, Ben. 2012, no. One shot match in the world.
Yeah, the best, and Champions.
What did Bayern Munich run here?
Yeah, the best now. Yeah, but President Cup, so. Nanu Fiada and they had to folk and so no etimi every ni sa particular game against Kodoko. I'm say Kodoko by 2-1 and so ewo na after the game no and some dodo na ba ama forecast Kodoko team ya wakeka wasem ya no and so mo nche dan yetim bia and esa but obet ma fra bana nso wa chere wa dwen 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 obetima fra ba na UEFA Champions League and after so United issues no yegusu edi nkomo Presidential Cup nanota Hatofuk etimi wini against Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko Krobia weka President Cup na semba wini enko.
Well, yeah, okay. I think that a very good game. Within 2 weeks now, these two sides, Asia, Ayana, and Tainsi, and some of us, I'm one particular person now, may call it for a change in both teams, in terms of selection, and but with him per post-match interviews, both coaches, a year in the league game, to me, Emma, a certain creative. Another atmosphere be say this particular president camp they are not going to take it as easy as said yeah before no year born but rather one more going for the ultimate say their best possible 11 on any day won't be to me
aligning starting 11
yes aligning up I think say one to me and making sure and even one more improve that of the president cup starting 11 than the Premier League, because women need to me 2-1-1 changes be now a very very key. And I think that particular game, Samuel Buedu, the Pep Guardiola of Ghana football, Okoman with that post-match interviewer, that particular game. Then
Pep Guardiola of Ghana football.
Prosper Nate Ogum this season he's been solid. This season
in the Premier League,
yes, so far as the league, air concern, we so a top-notch manager, or we need more of the manager of the month awards. But I think a Juma someone will do from last season, there's no way you can dispute it. A Juma will and Papa no to me Abu Juma, and so far with me I just say he's the man. So far as a Ghanaian coach is concerned, so far he's the man.
Because in less than a year, we're winning the Premier League, the FA Cup, the Super Cup, and the President Cup.
There's no other trophy. There's no other trophy. A FA sanction and official game trophy that's from last season. Any other team be to me AGF has so focus same led by Papa Yefreno Samuel Boedu. So I think say or Juma on the day and also set up both teams in at the corner. Prosper Nate Ogum in the first Premier League, who say league in House of Folk to me out number the midfield or 4-3-3 formation. So this time round and also a switch is over 4 midfielders into a 4-4-2 flat. Having a branch friend Georges Zinfege Rodriguez and Terry Imbella and so away anymore. Then Samuel Buedu and so to me another 4-4-2 flatter or the Ebeshia which are Oyusu in the first leg or anything. They say a worky to perfection because that time Ujana Kotoko Ede back from the league, Unya sa line up on and I say midfield.
Mami fa kola ina emetwa so. Hello.
I think say to me a boy my midfield one Sule Ali Muntari once again I think say a branch no modern ball especially Bono Ekutane dia no other player and the passes are the Emma Hasselfolk in the final third. I think say and also to me Eboa Yepa and that day was the day for Abrante Freno Danlad Ibrahim in the Premier League. Say Abrante Freno Richard Atano Jenny Din Yepa with saves Otumi Eye, but Danlad also preventing Muntari from scoring. I think that day and also Etumi Eye. So far as set pieces, any other crucial balls be a call into the post anymore to me 89 goes to such opportunity and able to me resulting into a goal. No to me 89. I think say and also to me Eye Juma. In all, Yebema Hasselfolk, very big congratulations. They've been the best over a year. they've been the best team in the country. Their manager has been the best manager in the country over a year now. And I think say where Dubai no not quite to say took didn't be pepe woman by January but we share 13 months money na ejuma papa no na wachre say this time ne modern ball ne ideology ne understanding of the game no on top so far as woman Kotoko and as a prosperity ogum concern Kotoko enya a run in the league but I think say womusia has to focus Coach Samuel Boedu to me actually say the experience ye here the Premier League from Mediama any other Premiership teams away coach is on top than that of any prosperity.
Samuel Boedu ene Kotoko akoye Maxwell Kunedu ne hard to focus.
Yes, unse sad ne etumisi and we share even players crampo no. Teams be na wo mu share for fun. Yes, wo mu share for fun.
Patrick Razak from nowhere.
Yeah.
Ba say go noko.
And he's one particular player or tormented Kotoko for like 4 years in.
And before the game,
yes, ni post or the buy before the game.
Your tormentor is back.
Internet say ejuma no so otumi ekoye and Kotoko wo mu play blame this season nyina games a wo mu winning poni nyina no inability from the opponent side a woman to me and convert our chances a woman create the final third of Kotoko box anymore because of Kotoko echi wana a looky a very bit frailty this season a looky a very big frailty per year I was a woman to me
by now many Bechem United Ghana Premier League how many Bechem United yes
to me Asha ho asemaka against Bechem no who Augustine Okra on any day on also the former team will be making sure so be prove your point and side way no you tell who players do na player be a movie from other team no kwa we out there when nyani go kra nyane assist and sa park hono na wo mo kono eki I think say e be din e de amakotoko game a beche ma be ball e wo baba yara no enye game ananke wo say wo mo nkofie crampo with a defeat so I think say they are going to take their revenge this time. Bechem wona one match say we to me a possible 3 points. Kotoko's best in this particular game no e be to me a draw and should they fail to score they are going to lose the game because this is a game for Bechem that I know Bechem ebe shego in this particular game. So Kotoko should they get something out of this particular game to get a scoring draw na womwenya a point to me Eddie Ababaya. If not failure from Kotoko to score no I don't think say it will be a 0-0 park no so hono so I think say Bechem stand to clinch the ultimate but Kotoko to me nya ego that goal before I move to me Bechem to me I cancel and as on counter no it will be a scoring draw na Kotoko nya at least a point to me Eddie Abafi.
All right, any Akrobia Asante and so himself. Our first, me ma 30 seconds. Na ubeshe Kotoko no many Bechem United 3 p.m. yeah.
I think say Kotoko ni Bechem no o share e we Bechem o matches are two teams now involved in. I think say go send time because the last time Kotoko Ekunya win e we Bechem was 2016. Frank Safu Jenfi and I shared the only goal at the Kotoko. Osha matches are cost for Honina acquire 1-1 and I say Bechembe win the cry 1-0 be as a goal so end time back I will be one and then you made the same thing. Me expecting more goals and then you made this game and Osha Kotoko currently on former the Kobo away matches and I think say I was true. But one of the problems among who Kotoko say born a do anymore and I say acquire one player the Cameroonian international talking about Abranti and Mbella Nenkwa as our front no enti Kotoko my whole name was shown I was fem kakra because talking about midfielders na enti me pushi ye more attacker but acquire say on kwanti and then you know going into this game, me expect Bechem United. It will be normal that second, but and now mark that fourth our league table. No so boy against first team Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Osha performance at Bechem. According to the Baba Ara, one more Murusu 2-0 to a Kotoko or Kumasi. I think that performance and was show, but go no and I'm more in your lack and to me. and put in goals and to me and she be Okumase and then you may almost bought our be chimney there. Me expect say team no bet me ama omuso kakra and ye cry good there. I think say be chim bet me anya honum but AK say kodogo kwanya draw so ho a enya de be mu AK.
All right, and you know Papa Fresh and I'm saying can say ono so no etu na enu mutu ye de dwuma de enu besi na mo sha no say 3 p.m. Ghana time crop ya Kumasi Asante Koroko ekwa away na ono so ne be Chem United abo we Ghana Premier League fixtures and also Ebaso ene Ghana Premier League Koroko ekwa away na ono so ne be Chem United team about 3 p.m. Ghana time and asama chano ebetimi atoja echna Heart of Folk and so betran kan na ono wafa abo Heart of Folk ene wafa ene bebo edachna ene nso ene ansem kakra ebo nti fancy chira ba beto aso echna Champions League game be cost Madrid ene PSG bepo ene ade nyina ni echna ebeba na yabedin komo ewa ha mame nda bejafo ase crop ya Asante me na na se papa the fresh and also me na na se sanso na John Peter JP and so no what in come menda na se papa mame ncha slim soldier yes or council mabiemu pa mutie slim soldier mutie sanso na Loretta and so no wa manfu kwantempon so a ono so na biemu a omutie nti dwumade ni nyina yerbesi amepa echen baba na abeto as executive producer Ira Kofi Anson for producer extraordinaire head of sports Nana Kofi Okoye Ajiman sanso na Jeff Ekufu Boateng Neno Ziggy Donzi Vibes and afin so no Tony Ebo Echidom Edino Kelvin Amponsah Addi obetima from me AK na me pechina ebeba na afin so no yetumi abeto amuso muchum kai
Kasa